Hi! Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to try the AI image of Filmora 12. Let's see if it will generate a cool image. Just click AI image up top and select 1024 by 1024 resolution. In describing your image, you need to provide not less than 10 words. As much as possible, be descriptive with your request to the AI so that you'll get the best result. As you can see, you only have 5 number of images to generate per day. Right now, I am imagining an anime superhero in a detailed portrait with a dramatic atmosphere. You can add other words that you want to appear in the image, just don't add contrasting words because AI might get confused with your request. You can also add an artist's name so that the AI will take a look at its creations and set it as an inspiration for the AI image. In my case, I will try Kyoto animation, and let's see what it will give us. After describing your image, you can now hit the Start Creating button and wait for a couple of seconds or minutes, especially if you wrote so many descriptions and when you gave very detailed information about your image. Would you look at that? Just like what I am imagining. Very cool animation. At this moment, you can now download the generated image of AI. You can now use it for your current project or future content. This tool is really helpful, especially if you can't find the right image from the web for your project, so why not create your own using AI, right? This AI image will also be saved to your local folder for Wondershare Filmora. You won't lose the image even if you accidentally close Filmora 12, it will still be accessible through its local folder location. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned from this video. If you liked this one, please hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. See you again next time.